Have you ever considered a maintenance home inspection, especially in the summer? A maintenance home inspection is paramount in maintaining a home's overall health and integrity. As the season ushers in warmer temperatures and longer days, homes are subjected to different strains, some of which could cause significant issues if left unchecked. For instance, heat can damage roof shingles, increase wear on HVAC systems, and aggravate problems with plumbing due to increased usage. Basements may become excessively damp, necessitating dehumidifiers and proper ventilation to avoid mold growth. The summer sun can also affect exterior features like doors, decks, and fences, causing materials to fade, warp, or deteriorate. Getting an inspection will help to identify these problems early, allowing for necessary repairs and prevention, thereby ensuring a safe, comfortable, and stress-free summer living environment.